Scott's reviews today, real quick. ViralNoise is what we're talking about. Do you have copyright issues with your stuff? Do you have, hey, YouTube is hitting you up and say you can't monetize your video because you have music on there you can't use, all that kind of stuff. It's aggravating. I get it. I've been there. I've had Epidemic Sound. I've used audio before, and now I am trying out ViralNoise. They hit me up and said, hey, do you want to try out our stuff? I'm like, perfect timing because I ran out of all my subscriptions. And what makes them cool? $8.99 a month for you and I, right? The individual creator, single channel. That's the key. So if you want to use it on YouTube and TikTok, gonna bump up your plan here. But if you're a sole creator, sole channel, the individual $8.99 is for you. All the plans across the board have 40,000 tracks and 30,000 sound effects. Doesn't matter what plan you pick. The plan changes about how big you are, right? So the bigger production you have, the higher level you have to go to get those rights. But if you're a small Joe like me, one channel, this is it, then individual plans for you. The next plan up is a freelance plan. So you have multiple channels across many platforms, commercial licensing all your work, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, podcast, digital ads. So multiple channels, multiple platforms, you want the freelance. Company plan, kind of in the name, right? Company. You have a company that's bigger and you're putting stuff together for higher level stuff. You have 4 users that can have the access. It's ideal for agencies, production companies, and brands creating marketing, content, advertising, and branded media. Full commercial licensing and unlimited access to our complete music and sound effects. The enterprise plan, large productions. If you are looking for an enterprise plan and you're watching this video, I bow down, because you are high level. You are like Netflix or creating a movie for Netflix, that high level. That's when you get into the enterprise plan. I think you have to call them and actually discuss how big your budget is, how big your movie is, and all that kind of stuff. So what does that mean for the individual guy? You're getting the same access to the same music content. You're getting good. So a huge plethora of music to choose from. And what's really cool about this one is that their stuff's on Bravo, Netflix, NBC, Love Island, Alone, Real Wives of Beverly Hills, First 48 Hours, The Valley. This music's being used by big folks, right? I've added to my previous video I just did on my GoPro Hero Lit. I use some of the music over there. If you're interested and you want to check it out, $8.99 is not that bad compared to a lot of other ones you see out there. Go around and look for other ones, shop around, and come back here if you want to spend $8.99 on an individual plan for one channel with a whole bunch of music and sound effects. Very simple. You don't have to get into where I have AI stuff and this, and it's $15 a month and $20 a month, and it starts adding up. This is just music and sound effects. Links below, 5-day trial. Check it out. No pressure. If you don't like it, poof. Don't worry about it. If you like it, keep it. Great. Keep it for a month. Keep it for 2 months. ViralNoise. I'll be using it for a while for all my videos coming up and all the music, and I'll put that in that link below for all my upcoming videos when I use that music, so you know where it comes from. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have a great one, and we'll see you again.